In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp Web when it is not syncing properly with your Android phone. If WhatsApp Web is not updating messages, not connecting correctly, or seems stuck, don't worry. This is usually caused by a connection issue, a background restriction on your phone, or a temporary problem with the linked session. We're going to go through a simple process to help restore the connection and get everything working smoothly again. First, make sure both your Android phone and your computer are connected to a stable internet connection. This is very important because WhatsApp Web depends on both devices being online and able to communicate properly. Check that your phone has either strong mobile data or a reliable Wi-Fi connection. And also confirm that your computer is connected to the internet without interruptions. If either connection is weak or unstable, WhatsApp Web may fail to load messages or may disconnect repeatedly. Next, on your Android phone, open the Settings app and go to Apps. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of installed apps. Once you're in the app settings, look for the battery or background usage section. The wording may vary slightly depending on your phone model, but you're looking for the setting that controls whether WhatsApp can run in the background. Set this option to unrestricted. This allows WhatsApp to stay active and maintain a proper connection even when you're not actively using the app. If this setting is limited or optimized, your phone may pause WhatsApp in the background, which can cause syncing issues with WhatsApp Web. After that, go to WhatsApp Web on your computer. Log out of the current session completely. This helps clear out any broken or outdated connection between your browser and your phone. Once you've logged out, open WhatsApp on your Android device and use the Linked Devices option to scan the QR code on your computer screen again. Relinking the device creates a fresh session, and in many cases, this is enough to resolve loading or syncing problems right away. As you do this, keep your phone unlocked and connected to the internet until the new session finishes loading on your computer. That helps avoid interruptions during the setup process. Once everything reconnects, give WhatsApp Web a moment to refresh and sync your chats. If your internet is stable and WhatsApp is allowed